Hi, this is Ishwar, and in this video I'm going to talk to you all about membership plans. I'm going to show you what good plans look like. I'm going to show you how you can add and edit your own, and I'm going to show you how to use the AI bot to generate content for your plans. This is what I'm going to cover. Let me share my screen and get started. So first things first, this is what the structure of a good membership plan page looks like. Ideally, you should have silver, gold, platinum so that people clearly understand that one level is better than the other level. So gold is better than silver and platinum is better than gold. The second thing is, of course, to have a representative image or a video event. This image could be just simply silver, gold, platinum, or it could be representative, like something like this, like online group coaching and what people achieve. Or it could even be a video of you talking and sharing what is a part of this level. The next thing is you should start with a summary of what is the key outcome that this level is going to deliver. These outcomes will be different for different kinds of membership plans, right? So your platinum will have a different level and a different outcome. Then be very clear and upfront if the payment that they're making is in EMI or if it's like there's a success fee involved, be very clear and upfront. Then clearly tell them what they get. The easiest way to do that is, of course, not just tell them what they get, but also tell them what they don't get in this level, so that they are actually inspired to check out the future levels and clearly understand how silver is different from gold, is different from platinum. And it basically means they're getting more in each level. So as the crosses go away, it means they're getting more. Now this is the structure that you should be following. Now how do you actually generate this content for your membership plans? Two ways. One is you can just visit mc.unsolved.network and just copy the structure that I have, right? So you can copy the structure and then edit it. That's an easy way to get started. But if you want, you have an AI bot, right? This AI bot has a complete section called membership levels. So it actually tells you membership planning ideas, level planning, should level 1 be, what should level 2 be. It does all of that, right? So it actually does all of the planning for you. Now you can use a lot of this content and then fine tune what should be a part of silver, what should be a part of gold, and what should be a part of platinum. How do you actually edit it? You head over to settings on the top right. Once you've done that, you will see a section called membership plans. Just click that. Now you will see some predefined plans. You can either edit those or you can just go ahead and add a completely new plan. Now when you add a new plan, you have to give it a name. You have to decide how do you want to collect payments. Is it in a one-time payment format or in a subscription format? What is the membership period? Are you giving them access for 1 month, 1 quarter, 1 year? I normally suggest try and extend your lower levels for 1 year so that you can stay in touch with your customer. Right? Then what is the fee that you need to charge? Now typically if you're trying to choose subscriptions, your fee has to be less than rupees 2000 in India, right? So it has to be less than rupees 2000 in India. So the maximum you can pretty much do is 1999 from a subscription standpoint, auto renewal standpoint, right? Anything else you really need to just choose one-time payment. So let's say if you have a 5000 rupee program, then it has to be a one-time payment. Make sure that whatever value you have in one-time payment and in subscription are exactly the same. Don't choose two different things. Again, for one-time payment, what is the access? All of that, keep it exactly the same. What content tags, whether this is visible on the landing page is the next one or hidden, you keep it visible so that you can actually preview it before you publish it. Which content tags can this plan? This is mostly access levels, like what all content can they access. Add an image. As I said, this is where your silver, gold, platinum kind of image comes in. And then you can just go ahead and paste whatever you have copied from the membership collective, or you can write your own membership benefits here. Of course, AI will generate stuff for you. You can use that as a base, but basically make sure that whatever you put down here is very, very clear that what they get in exchange for making this payment. Always before publishing, I suggest save as draft. Make sure you save as draft. Let's say this is a gold plan, right? Make sure you save as draft. Go back to your home page, check out your draft. Your draft will be pink in color. That means it's not yet published. People can't click and buy. The second you think that this is final, you are heading over to the settings, the membership plans, and just you can either click publish here or you can edit, and of course you can click publish there. Right. In either ways, once you click publish, the plan is live. If you want to remove this plan now, you just have to shift its status to hidden. That's it, right? So you can just shift its status to hidden and you will not find that plan again on your homepage. So you will be like only the two plans. You don't see the 5000 rupee plan. This is typically how you can create membership plans, you can test them, you can retire them, you can do all of that in a fairly easy way. Just try it, give it a spin. Whenever you have your final membership plans, share it as a comment below, share your URL as a comment below. I will take a look and give you like a couple of tips. Right, that's it from me. I'm signing off. Bye bye. This is Ishwar.